Dubai Airports is the operator of the two international airports in Dubai in the Middle East. Dubai International Airport is the largest airport for international passengers in the world, and our second airport, Dubai World Central, is one of the fastest growing airports in the world. We're home to over 100 different airlines, operating to some 220 different destinations, and probably our most well-known customer is Emirates Airline. Their home is Dubai. In 2011 we started to look to the future, and our underlying growth in passenger numbers, we've trebled in size in the last 9 years. And we could see that we would run out of capacity at Dubai International and we would need to expand very rapidly at our new Dubai World Central. But before we could put the new Dubai World Central Airport into operation, we had to dramatically expand the capacity of the existing Dubai International Airport. And we realised that the asset management practices that we had were not going to be sufficient to enable us to do that. When we engaged MCP initially to benchmark where we stood in terms of international best practice, and since then to work with us to really drive a step change in improvements in the way we care for our assets, maintain our assets, and particularly the way we develop our engineering maintenance processes and people. Well, MCP bring tremendous expertise and a collaborative approach. They also have insight into many different industry sectors. And one of the things that we've learned is that there's a lot of good practice we can learn from other sectors. We're an airport that operates 24 hours a day. Many of our airport competitors have the luxury of a closure from midnight to 6 a.m. where they can traditionally do most of their maintenance. Midnight is my busiest time. It's when all the traffic is arriving that then transfers on to the second stage of their journey. I have to fit my maintenance into a continuous operation. I can learn therefore from other industry sectors who have the same problem. Well, the key target for the Engineering Services Change Programme was ever-increasing reliability of the assets, particularly at Dubai International, but we needed to reduce the cost of maintenance. But the cost of maintenance needed to be reduced in a way that the quality and performance was not impacted. So those were the twin targets that were set for that programme, and together with MCP we found a way to do that.